Welcome children. We will continue practice set 4.1 of mathematics part 1 chapter number 4 financial planning. Question number 6. Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is rupees 51,200 with GST. The rate of CGST on AC is 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in the tax invoice of the Tip-Top Electronics. First, rate of SGST. Second, rate of GST on AC. Third, taxable value of AC. 4. Total amount of GST. 5. Amount of CGST and 6. Amount of SGST. So first write the given things. First, cost of AC is rupees 51,200 with GST. कॉस्ट आहे 51,200 त्याच्यामध्ये GST इन्क्लूड केलेला आहे अँड रेट ऑफ CGST इज 14%. So first to find out rate of SGST. Now we know that rate of SGST is equal to rate of CGST. Therefore, the rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST is 14%. Now second, to find out the rate of GST on AC, the rate of GST is equal to rate of CGST plus rate of SGST. Sum of these two rates, then we get the rate of GST. Now rate of CGST is 14% plus rate of SGST also 14%. So it is 28%. Now third, to find out taxable value of AC, let taxable value is equal to rupees X. Now GST is given 14%, therefore GST is equal to taxable value into rate. Now taxable value X मानलेली आहे आपण या ठिकाणी. सो X इंटू रेट आहे 28%. सो इट इज इक्वल टू X इंटू 28/100. Therefore GST is equal to 28x/100. Now the cost of AC is given. So cost is equal to taxable value plus GST. GST ॲड केल्यानंतर त्या टोटल वस्तूची टोटल कॉस्ट मिळेल. देअरफोर कॉस्ट इज गिव्हन देअर 51,200. नाव टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू X आणि GST 28x/100. So multiplying by 100, then we get 51,200 आणि 100ने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यामुळे 2 झिरो येतील इज इक्वल टू या ठिकाणी 100ने मल्टिप्लाय करा 100 × X प्लस या टर्मला 100ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं की 28x राहतील, 100 कॅन्सल होतील. अँड देअर फोर वी गेट therefore we get 5 1 2 4 0 आहेत पहा 1 2 3 4 is equal to 100x into 28x, we get 128x. therefore 5 1 2 0 0 0 0 आणि इंटू 128 आहेत ते डिवाइड होतील आणि राईट साईडला एक्स उरतील. नाव डिव्हिजिबल 4 4ने दोन्ही ठिकाणी भाग जाईल किंवा 128 ची चौपट केली की 512 मिळतात पहा. 128 एक्के 128 आणि 128 चोक 512 येतील आणि 1 2 3 4 हे पुढचे 4 झिरो. देअरफॉर वी गेट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 40,000. हे आपण टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू मांडलेली होती. देअरफॉर टॅक्सेबल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ AC is equal to rupees 40,000. Now next, to find out amount of CGST. So first find out the GST. Now GST is equal to taxable value into rate. Taxable value 40,000 आणि रेट ऑफ GST 28% फाइंड केलेला आहे आपण वरती. सो इट इज इक्वल टू 40,000 इंटू 28% मीन्स 28/100. सो इट इज इक्वल टू धीस 2 0 कॅन्सल विथ धीस 2 0. 400 इंटू 28. हा प्रॉडक्ट करा 28 इंटू 4 112 आणि पुढचे 2 झिरो येतील. सो 11,200 अमाऊंट. नाउ फाइंड आउट द अमाउंट ऑफ CGST. देअरफॉर अमाउंट ऑफ CGST is equal to 1/2 into GST. So is equal to 1/2 into 11,200. Now divisible by 2 here. So 2 5s are 10, 1 is remainder, 2 6 are 12, 2 zeros and zeros. So 5600 rupees. And last, to find out the amount of SGST. Now amount of SGST is equal to amount of CGST. So it is equal to rupees 5,600. हे दोन्ही अमाउंट सेम असतात. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. The question number 7 is, Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronics Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of rupees 40,000. Rate of GST charge was 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. Also find amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. First, write given things. Printed price is rupees 40,000. Discount is given 5%. Rate of GST 28%. To find out purchase price, CGST and SGST. First, find I would the discount given. So discount is 5%. So it is equal to printed price into rate. Printed price into a rate. Now printed price is 40,000 into rate of discount. अमाऊंट ऑफ डिस्काउंट फाइंड करताना रेट ऑफ डिस्काउंट या ठिकाणी घ्यावं लागेल. तर रेट ऑफ डिस्काउंट आहे 5%. सो इट इज इक्वल टू 40,000 into 5% means 5/100. Now these two zero cancel with these two, then 405 is equal to 4 into 5 20 आणि हे 2 0. So discount is rupees 2000. Now rate of GST is 28%. So first find out the GST. The taxable value पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला फाइंड करावी लागेल. सो taxable value is equal to printed price minus discount. So it is equal to printed price 40,000 minus discount is 2,000. So 40,000 minus 2,000 is equal to 38,000 rupees. Taxable value. Now find out the GST. Now GST is equal to taxable value into rate of GST. Now taxable value is 38,000 into GST is 28%. So it is equal to 38,000 into 28/100. Now these two zeros cancel with these two zero and we get 3800 into 28. Now 38 into 28. Now take this product. 380 रहता है 380. Now 38 into 28, then we get 1064 आणि हा एक 0 येईल. So GST is equal to 10,640 rupees. Now to find out the purchase price. Now purchase price. Purchase price is equal to taxable value plus GST. Now taxable value ही 38,000 फाइंड केलेली आहे आपण, प्लस GST आलेला आहे 10,640. Now add these two, then 38 plus 10, 48,640 rupees. Now also to find out CGST. Now CGST is equal to 1/2 into GST. So it is equal to 1/2 GST 10,640. So it is equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 0. So it is equal to rupees 5,320. And SGST that is equal to CGST. So SGST is equal to rupees 5,320.